Hello everybody, this is Hina. Welcome to another tutorial of Millennium Marketing, and today we are going to create another logo design that is based on few triangles. We are going to use the triangles, and by connecting together we will form a shape of letters. So let us start now. First of all, what I'm going to do, I'm taking simple polygon tool from here and press shift and dragging a simple triangle like this. So before this I have tried this tutorial, so that's why the color is intact. So I want to remove this and just turning the stroke color to black. So now we are ready to create another part of this triangle. So press Ctrl C and Ctrl F and drag the triangle to the right side with equal spacing, and in the same way you can do the same thing to the left side. I just copy this and just drag it right and left. Okay, so this is the simple technique that we have created this design. And now what I'm going to do, we are going to take another copy of this, and this time we want to move the triangle at this one is the point of intersection. So make sure when you are doing this, then you should have the copy of this rather than the triangle. So I want to keep the triangle here just like this. By aligning together, make sure everything is properly aligned and there should be no spacing, otherwise there will be some disruptions in the design will be formed. Okay, so now I move the another triangle, copy of another triangle, and keep it at this place. This one is the point of intersection. And now what I did, I have taken another copy of this just like this, press shift, and now what I'm going to do, I'm taking it to the at this point. Make sure everything is properly aligned, and because this is very important when we are working on this design. And now we have to move on the another direction, so you can see that how the design is forming. Now what we have to do, we need to take this pen tool and simply connect the lines like this. And now you have to do the same things on the other side. So all the openings need to close with a line, so it will be look like a shape. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm taking this simple line here, and all when the shape is completely closed. Now we have to provide shaping to this design in a form of letter. So what I'm going to do, I'm taking a simple shape builder tool here and forming a shape like this here, and simply taking shape, connecting together here. I want to connect this one, and here I want to connect this part and this part as well, so it will form the letter A. In the same way you can connect this one and this one as well, and so it will form a letter A. So we have found this letter now, and now you can remove this line, something like this. So you can see that it's a letter A that we have formed. And now what we are going to do, we are going to add some colors to this design and go to create here. Here I want to use the metals, and first of all I want to select this layer and I want to apply this gold color from this color palette. This is the default palette you must have in your Illustrator suite, so you can check it if you are not sure that whether this is working. Otherwise you can create some color options as well by using our blending tool. Now I want to take this one to the upside simply like this, and make sure everything is connected together. Otherwise what you can do, you can simply arrange and send it to back, so it will be form a picture like this. Now you can simply delete it. If I think this one was previous one was better, so I want to take this one. Okay, So now what we are going to do, we are removing this stroke from here. So it will be looking like this, more like a 3D illusion. And now you can go into the effect section, stylize, and here you can drop the shadow as well. So it will provide a more, a realistic look of the 3D. So now what we are going to do, actually we have to connect two letters together. So I'm taking another one, I'm taking a copy of this, Control C, and now I'm taking the copy here, and I'm removing this one from here because I have to form the two letter M, and taking a copy of it and just dragging it to this side. So you can see it's forming a letter M. And now if anything goes here, then we can expand it and we can remove it later. So now what I'm going to do, I'm simply taking it together in same dimension, Control G, and now you can just move it to the right side, so it's forming a letter M. And here if you want to keep it at the upside, then you can adjust the position from it here. So this is the simple design that we have just created by combining the letters together, and it's very easy and simple way. And now you can add the business name or the taglines or whatever you want to do with this design. Now you can remove the part that has been left from here because we have grouped it, so we need to ungroup it first, and then you can simply remove all these areas that, or simply take it. And now what we are going to do, we are going into the object, and here we can expand the complete design. So here you can see that how it would be look like, and you can remove the areas, Control C, and group it. And now you can simply, if I place a simple background layer at the back of this design, then it seems, so first of all I want to take it back. So you can see that how it would be look like after giving the final look. So this is very simple and easy way to combining the triangles together, and you can form a shape like this, or it could be a 3D shape or whatever you call it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will come back to another tutorial. Subscribe to my channel and have a very good day. Bye bye.